How to cancel subscriptions on Rocket Money. So in this video, we will discuss how you can cancel your subscriptions on Rocket Money. As you can see right here, I have these options. So first thing you need to do is to make sure to access your Rocket Money application or to the website. So under the website, you can find in here the recurring options. So make sure to click on that. And in here, you can see your upcoming subscription as well as the coming later subscriptions and the likes. You can also see in here those bills and what day those bills will fall into. So from in there, you can see all of the bills as well. So if you wish to cancel some subscriptions, you can just click onto the three dots beside that subscription itself, and from in there, you should be able to find a cancel subscription option from there. Just proceed with the cancellation and then proceed with the on-screen instructions in order to cancel it yourself. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.